Here are all the fixes for live text not working in the camera or in the Photos app on an iPhone 17e running iOS 26. First, check the camera settings. Under the Settings app, scroll to Camera. See the option for the Show Detected Text toggle and enable it. Now, your camera can detect text live when you capture the photo. Tap on the live text icon that appears on the left button. Tap on it and see the scan text in the live camera. Use the Translate option in More Options, then convert it into your language. Ensure that the Apple Translate app is installed on your iPhone. See the translated text. You can translate a signboard or paper. To change language, select Language from the drop-down. Then copy the translated text or open it in Translate. If your language is not showing, then download the new language from the Download Languages option. That's live text in the Camera app. If live text is not working in Picture in the Photos app, then enable live text for Picture. Launch the Settings app, tap General, and scroll a little bit to the Language and Region option. And the last option is live text. Enable the toggle, and that's it. Now, launch the Photos app on your iPhone and select the image with text. Wait for a second until your iPhone identifies the picture with text. Tap on the live text icon and see all text selected in the picture. Then tap on the Translate option to convert into the main language. That's it. Still, if it's not showing, then check that supported devices include iPhone XS, XR, and newer, and iPhone 11 and later. Your iPhone must be updated with the latest iOS version. When you scan text with your iPhone camera, make sure the lighting is good so the words are easy to see. To keep the text in focus, hold your iPhone still and point the camera directly at the text. Don't use blurry pictures either, because live text might not be able to read the words correctly if the picture isn't clear. That's all possible fixes for live text in iOS 26 solutions. Like to support this channel and comment for more help.